Yep, we got the Ray-Ban Metas, and that's what we're going to use in today's video. We're going to try them out for the first time. It took me months and a ton of videos to convince myself to get these things because I have so many cameras and different pieces of tech. Like, I don't need it, but there's some cool features that only these glasses have, and I got them, and we're going to try them out in today's video. There's a camera here, there's some AI tech, there's a speaker. I can call people and ask Meta things like, hey Meta, what's in front of me? So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see how good the footage is today. I think this is going to be really cool for Instagram Live. I never really get on live too much, but this might motivate me to get on live because you can connect these glasses and the camera to Instagram and you guys can see what I see, and we can kind of cruise around, maybe do some POV style stuff on Instagram Live and get you guys more connected. So that's cool. I don't have a lot of storage, so we'll probably get a few clips later, but they're really comfortable. A new piece of tech, and I haven't seen a scooter video with these on yet, so this would be cool to give you guys my honest opinion on how these things are. That is a new one. 5 bar spins. Before we try the glasses, I had an idea this morning before when I was working out, is to try some things where you go forward and then press the brake and bring it back. And I've done stuff like that before, but it'd be cool to do a trick forward, then either press the brake or foot jam and do the same exact trick backward. I was thinking doing like a no-handed bar spin. I feel like that's the perfect thing to start off with. If I can come up with 2 ideas, I feel like that'd be something cool and something new to do. And then after that, we'll try these glasses and see how they are. I don't know if the footage is gonna compare to this camera or the Insta360 stuff, but I think it's just a cool piece of tech to have. It's gonna instigate going on Instagram Live more often, since that's the only thing you can connect for Instagram Live besides using your phone. So I think it's gonna be really cool. So we'll try that later next week. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because it's just gonna be something different. Let's try this forward, backward kind of stuff. Wow. Back wheel trick wasn't too bad. That was like 3 tries. Front wheel trick, that just took at least 30 minutes of trying, so maybe 50 plus. But both new ones, so this is cool. Now we got the Meta Ray-Bans, and I got the lenses that transition. So when you're in the sun, they turn to sunglasses, and then when you're not, they're just regular glasses, which is cool. And they're comfortable. They feel like nothing's on, which is strange for me because most of the time when I'm filming, I either have this or chest mount, so I'm used to. But let's try it out. Let's get maybe 5 different things or clips, and you guys let me know what you think. All right, we're recording. I'm not sure of the angle since I am filming with my face, but we'll give it a few tests of rolling around just so you guys can see what it looks like. I feel like the resolution is not as crazy as an action camera, but at least you have something ready to go at any time, which is cool. You just wear them even if you're not filming, like, oh shoot, I need to do a clip, and then you got them on your face. So let's just try 5 things, and like I said before, let me know what you think. Not bad. I feel like it's strange because if I'm not looking at my scooter, which some tricks I don't, I do it based on feel, you can't really see much. But for traffic footage and for exploring, I think these are going to be really cool. And of course for Instagram Live, like I said before, I'm going to do that next week, and hopefully they can connect this to YouTube soon, because I feel like that would be really awesome, because you guys can just pick where you want to see me go, and then we'll just do a live live session, and I think that would be really cool. But the footage doesn't look too bad. I think it's really a nice piece of tech to have. especially when traveling, because you never know what's going to happen. And I try to have the Insta360 on my chest most of the time, just in case I have an idea or anything. But this is cool. Let me know what you think of the footage. I'm gonna bring these with me more often. And if anybody has these, let me know. I'm really curious on whoever has them and what you do with them. The only idea I have right now is just that style POV and the live on Instagram. But if you can give me more ideas and like, where do you think I should be using them? I think that would help a lot since this is a new piece of text. So coming up with some new creative ways to use it, I think is gonna be the goal from now on. This is more of a quick video. I kind of wanted to just tune in here and just try them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more. Looking forward to those comments, and I'll see you in the next one.